She sent the live Adwa. This is not the one. Wait. She will send. That's not the one. Yeah, that is the test one. It's okay. From the state. I'm coming again. Show you. मैं अपना delete कर रही हूँ. I have deleted mine. So go to that. So I have deleted one. பார்க்க முடியாது பாரு. போடு. delete என்னோடது. இல்லையா? என்னோடதுல தெரியாதா பாரு. சரிங்களா? Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for making time and logging in to listen to me and support me. Maybe I'll wait for a couple of minutes and then start. Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for making. Okay, so I'm going to start now. So once again, thank you so much for making time and logging in to listen to me and support me. This is a great opportunity. I would like to thank the Sursargam founder team, Himaji and Shikaji, who always believed in my singing more than even I did and thought that I can pull this 1 hour session off. Thank you so much. It is because of their confidence in me that I am standing here today. Thank you so much. And today I have actually prepared a few Hindi, Tamil and Malayalam songs to entertain all of you. I hope I am able to live up to it and make you all stay up till the end. I will be very happy if all of you would stay until the end. This is my first time ever doing firstly a full length session and also an online session live like this. This is my first time. So if at all there are any mistakes or glitches, please do excuse me and bear with me. And if there are any requests, please do keep them. I will definitely try to take something at the end, but I have already prepared a list of songs which I would love to deliver today because this is my first time. I try to take requests in my next session so that where I become a little more easier handling this kind of platform. Okay, so I'll start today's session with a prayer song. It is a song from the movie Goody. I'm sure all of you would have guessed which song I'm talking about. Let us all pray that we get a lot more inner strength to handle these, tough times, endure these tough times. So please let us pray. One second, please. हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना। अपने दिल से साफ कर सके, भेदभाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके, दोस्तों से भूल हो तो माफ कर सके, झूठ से बचे रहे, सच का रंग भरे, झूठ से बचे रहे और सच का रंग भरे, दूसरों के जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना। thank you so much for all the wonderful comments that are coming by. If I don't speak in between the song, please don't mind. I will definitely speak in between the songs and not, in between the song. So thank you so much for all the wonderful comments. So I will move on to the next song, which is a Tamil song. This song has a very special place in my heart, especially when it is concerning the Susargam group. Because actually, this was the song that I first got introduced to Sursargam group with. I'll especially take this occasion to also thank Sandeep Pillaiji, who actually recorded this song for me so beautifully in the Sur studio. So this song has a very special place. And there is also one more person that I have to thank here, the person from where all this started, Vidya Ramaka. Thank you so much. Why I'm taking her name today is because when I was looking for something to, when I was looking to have singing friends here in Abu Dhabi, she was the one who actually referred me to Susargam. And from then, my journey with Susargam has been fantastic. I've been enjoying, I've been improving my singing skills. So I owe a lot to, a lot of people here after I shifted here. So I will move on to the next song. It is actually called Thalatum Poongatru Nanallava from the movie Gopura Vasalile. Any feedback on the sound, please do let me know. I don't see any, so I think it's working fine. எப்பொழுதும் சொப்பனங்கள் முப்பொழுதும் கற்பனைகள் சிந்தனையில் நம் சங்கமங்கள் ஒன்றிரண்டாயின் சஞ்சலங்கள் காலை நான் பாடும் காதல் பூவாடும் காதில் கேட்டாரோ கண்ணா என்னாலும் ஆசையில் நாள்தோறும் தாலாட்டும் பூங்காற்று நானல்லவா நீ கேட்டு பாராட்டு ஓமல்லவா வருவாயோ மாறாயோ ஓ நெஞ்சமே ஓ நெஞ்சமே என் நெஞ்சமே உன் பஞ்சமே தாலாட்டும் பூங்காற்று நானல்லவா நீ கேட்டு பாராட்டு Thank you so much. Amma, Stephanie, Himaji, thank you so much. That's great that you could make it. And I saw Stephanie's name, I saw Vidya Ramaka's name, and Bala, who's our neighbor here, Reni. Thank you so much. If I've missed out anybody's name, it is because of the same reason that it's my first time. So I'm just trying to keep the names of people who are who are commenting so that I can remember to tell it later. Hemaji, Meghaji, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. I'll just drink some water before I move on to the next song, because next song is going to be the title song. So I'm sure all of you would have seen the wonderful, the pamphlet that was created for me. It is something that I would cherish all my life. It's so beautiful. So much publicity was, I think, for the first time that I was receiving. So I have to have a special mention for the title song, Aajare Pardesi. Just give me a minute to drink some water and I'll sing again. This is also the favorite of a lot of my family members. So I'm dedicating this song to my mother, my perima, my peripa, everybody, Sunita ka, whoever has told me that this is one of their favorite song, Vasu Peripa, so many of them. So yeah. मैं जा रे मैं तो कब से खड़ी इस पार ये अखियाँ थक गई पंडित निहार आ जा रे परदेसी Thank you so much, and I have to welcome a few people who I remember seeing the names of. Ranjini Chariji, welcome, and who else did I see? Now I think I should learn to. Sandeep Pillaji, hi, and Amma, my mother, she has been giving me feedback about the mic position. Did I get better towards the end of the song? Please let me know by typing. Let me see if I missed it. Jyoti Ashokji, hi. I have not even replied to your message, but thank you so much for making it here. Gopalji, hi. I have something special for you today, which I will not tell now, a little later. That is my strategy to keep you waiting until the end. So, anyway, so I will, Ashika ji, this is your favorite too. Wonderful to hear. Hi, Sujata ka. Hello. Purnima ji, namaste. Please welcome. Wow, so wonderful to have so many of you, loving me. Thanks for all the love and support. So I will move on to the next song. So I can. Hi, Perimai. Hi, welcome. Once more in private. Let's sing in private. I'm sure all of them will get bored if I sing the same thing again. So even you are so bored now. I'll sing another song, a new song for you. So we have finished Hindi. We finished Tamil. So there is one more language that I can sing, which is Malayalam. So I am going to move on to that song now. Okay, it is called Varamanyaladia, and I think it is one of the very few Malayalam songs that I would sing whenever somebody would ask me to sing a Malayalam song. And it is from the movie Pranaya Varnangal. I hope I have pronounced it properly because my Malayalam, I can sing Malayalam better than I can speak Malayalam. So I can start here. Are you ready for the next song? Can I start? Parvyatai, hi, welcome. Pachiti, hi, welcome. Oh, now actually my husband has learned the trick. We both are learning together. So he is showing me the names who I have to actually welcome. So I'm going to the next song, which is a Malayalam one. संदीप जी आप साइकिल पकड़ के कहीं जाना मत, यही रहना. Okay, moving on. If I have missed anybody's name, it is just because it's new. I'm new here, so if I have missed welcoming anybody specifically by name, please excuse me. All of you are welcome. All of you are so close to my heart. I'm so happy to see so many of you here just for me. I'll play on to the next song. മിഞ്ചിയ ജാലകവാതിൽ കളിയായി ചാരിയതാരേ കലകർമരം നീർത്ത ചില്ലകൾക്കുള്ളിൽ മധുവായി മാറിയതാരേ അവളുടെ മിഴിയിൽ കരിമഷിയായി കനവുകളിലുതിയതാരേ നിലവുകളിലുതിയതാരേ അവളെ ധരണിതയാക്കിയതാരേ വരമഞ്ഞളാടിയ രാവിന്റെ മാറി ഒരു തുള്ളി ഉറങ്ങി ധീരമെന്തിനോ തേനിലാവിൽ വിരഹമെന്നാലും മയങ്ങി പെയ്തു തോർന്നൊരു സാഗണ്ടലത്തിൽ മഴയായി ചാരിയതാരേ കലകർമരം നീർത്ത ചില്ലകൾക്കുള്ളിൽ മുഖിലായി മാറിയതാരേ അവളുടെ കവിളിൽ തൊടുവിരലായി കവിതകളിലുതിയതാരേ മുകുളിതയാക്കിയതാരേ അവളെ പ്രണയിനിയാക്കിയതാരേ വരമഞ്ഞളാടിയ രാവിന്റെ മാറി ഒരു തുള്ളി ഉറങ്ങി നീരമെന്തിനോ തേനിലാവിൽ വിരഹമെന്നാലും മയങ്ങി പുലരിതൻ ചുംബന പൂമുഖമല്ലി നന്ദിനിയാക്കി അവളെ പനിനീർമഴയാക്കി. Thank you so much. So here I have my assistant has actually written the names for me. So sweet. Thank you so much. Rekha ji, hi. Vidya Ram ji again, hello. Murli Menon ji, hi. So sorry आपका नाम तो लिया ही नहीं मैंने. Venkat ji, namaskaram, Vango. Veni, yes, hi. Yeah, so these are the names that we have tried to. Is there anybody else that I saw in between? I'm not able to recollect. So I'll just drink some water and then we will move on to the. Yeah, I was also very what do you say? Very conscious about that avale amma. So I think this whole morning I have tried to get that avale right. So I hope I got it right. And since you are saying, I'm sure it should be right. Yes, I'll just drink some water and we will move on to the next song. The next song is again something that I have to credit Sursargam team for. Really, I'll tell you why. Because there was a time when I used to stick to a certain number of songs which are my comfort zone. Because I never stepped out of that comfort zone. I tell you from the bottom of my heart that it is Sursargam team is one of the huge contributors who has helped me, who has encouraged me, who has motivated me, pushed me to try new songs, learn new songs, and produce them. So this is actually one of the new songs that I have learned. It was for one of the theme weekly theme that we actually used to do in Sursargam group. So I'm going to. This is the first time that I'm ever singing this song in front of an audience. So I hope I'm able to do justice to it. Before that, a little bit of a sip of water. Just give me a minute. Hi Deepthi, welcome. Hi. Anna, Prashant, hi. Ramya, hi. तूने So the song is called संदीप पिल्ले जी हाय, आपका नाम लिया था मैंने, आप थे तब। पार देता है हाय। So I'm going to move on. So this song is called तूने ओ रंगीले कैसा जादू किया. I'm sorry, I'm not so sure about the movie name. I didn't realize that, I did not research that. So we go on to the song. Shanti Akka Vango, Jaishimani, are you there? Welcome to you as well. Kuttan hi, Pranav hi. Daddy, hi. I actually inserted Oh Mere Daddy on purpose because I wanted to give you a special welcome. I did not welcome you in the beginning. Daddy, I am a daddy's daughter, so I have to welcome him specially. Daddy, thank you. Come, come. And there are some other names that I have to take. Naraswati Mer, Vango, Radhikaka, Ninglu Mikkela, Vango, Radhetai, Vanyaka, hi. And Sujataka, hi. Surendran uncle, என்னோட அப்பாவோட friend. Thank you. Please come. मेरे डैडी का friend है. Yeah. So we'll move on to the next one. Before that, I had promised Gopalji that I would actually sing something for him, which he has, I think he had asked me months and months ago, but I had not sung it for him yet. So here goes your surprise. It is a very short song if you had guessed which one it is. I'm going to go for that. It is a Tamil song. It's if I give away too much of details, Gopalji is going to find out which song it is. It is from a superstar Rajinikanth movie. It's a very short song. It is something that Gopalji had actually requested me to sing long time back. I think this is all. I'll give the info later on. More about the song after the song. It's a short song. யமுனையாற்றிலே ஈரக்காற்றிலே கண்ணனோடுதான் ஆட பாவை பூத்திட பாவை பார்த்திட பாவை ராதையோ வாட யமுனையாற்றிலே ஈரக்காற்றிலே கண்ணனோடுதான் ஆட பாவை பூத்திட பாவை பார்த்திட பாவை ராதையோ வாட இரவும் போனது பகலும் போனது மன்னன் இல்லையே கூட இளைய கண்ணியின் இமைத்திடாத கண் இங்கும் அங்குமே தேட இரவும் போனது பகலும் போனது மன்னன் இல்லையே கூட இளைய கண்ணியின் இமைத்திடாத கண் இங்கும் அங்குமே தேட ஆயர் பாடிய கண்ணனையோ ஆசை வைப்பதே அன்பு சொல்லையோ ஆயர் பாடிய கண்ணனில்லையோ ஆசை வைப்பதே அன்பு சொல்லையோ பாவம் ராதாயுனையாற்றிலே ஈரக்காற்றிலே கண்ணனோடுதான் ஆட பாவை பூத்திட பாதி பார்த்திட பாவை ராதையோ வாட. That was for you, Gopalji, and I get to hear that it is the favorite of so many people. Of course, Superstar and Shobana. It is definitely ought to be a favorite. I'm so happy that though I'm not taking requests, please excuse me for today because it's the first time. It's very new grounds for me. So as this gets better, as I get better with this, I'll definitely try to take requests. So I'll be moving on to the next song. Just give me a couple of minutes, please. Thank you. I'll go for a, is there any names that I have to take? It's okay. Okay, I will go for a Hindi one now, and then I'll move on to a Tamil one which I had prepared because I had inserted a Tamil one in between. So I'd like to go, have a balance of Hindi and Tamil. So I'll sing a Hindi song now, and then I'll move on to the Tamil one. Nityaka, Vangu, hi, thank you so much for making time. Deepthi, hi, va. Aishwarya, hi, welcome, hi. Rekha ji, hi, thank you so much. I'm not even realizing that half the time I'm speaking in Tamil. Shikaji and Himaji itself will be finding a little difficult to understand what I'm talking. I'm just feeling so much at home that I just started talking in Tamil like how I would speak at home. Yeah. switch this off and I will do. ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಿರುಗಿ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. All of you can sway with me. Okay. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम। हो यार, ओ हाय मेरा दिल, हाय दिल लेकर मुझको ना बहलाना, चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम। बाहर बन के आओ कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए कहीं सी तमन्ना में। बाहर बन के आओ कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए कहीं सी तमन्ना में। तुम मेरे हो तुम मेरे हो, आज तुम इतना वादा करके जाना, चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम। सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाई को। सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाई को। हर वफा क्यों इस जहां को, एक दिन दिखला दूंगा मैं दीवाना, चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम। Thank you. I'm happy to hear that the songs that I'm choosing is the favorite of so many, or I don't know whether you all are being so nice to me, but I'm so happy to hear that I'm able to entertain all of you. There are a few names that I have to take. Bhavachiti, yes, I have already said hi to her. Sunita Ka, Hi, you are actually hiding behind the Raji Perimai's ID, so I did not realize. Sunita ka, hi, 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 very special hi to you. Radhamani auntie, hi. Gopi Anna, hi, Wango. Balaji uncle, oh Balaji uncle is so special to me. He was the one who actually got me on to stage singing first of all. I hope it's the same Balaji uncle Amma that you're talking about. He is also a musician himself and he is the one who first got me onto stage when I was a teenager. So thank you so much for that. I have not stopped ever since and I'm so happy that you are here today. So next I would think I'll do two more songs if that is okay. शिखा जी राउडी बेबी के लिए मेरे पास ट्रैक मैं देखती हूँ मैं लास्ट में देखती हूँ वो वाला राउडी बेबी लास्ट में खत्म करेंगे उसके साथ ओके एंड I'll actually go with one Tamil song, one more Tamil song, and I would like to actually do a parody song. How many? I hope I have a bit of a Tamil audience. I will decide on that later on. First, right now, I'll go for the normal Tamil song. So, this song I have to talk about a little bit. Venkat sir, நான் உங்களை முன்னாடியே வாங்கன்னு சொன்னேனே. I welcomed you long time back, Venkat sir. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for coming. You are somebody definitely special, a hero in live Facebook sessions. So I'm going to give you a call after this is over to take feedback from you. So Venkat ji, welcome. So I have to talk a little bit about this song that I'm going to sing. At one point, my name used to be referred to by this song. Oh, Preeti, is that the girl who sings Urusanam? Because I am sure all people who know me closely would know that this is the song that I used to always fall back on. If Varamanjaladia was a Malayalam song that I used to fall back on, Urusanam used to be a Tamil song that I used to fall back on. Since Rani auntie and Vimala auntie are also here, hi, I would like to tell you that I have a very, very clear memory of Kicha Mama actually commenting on this song of mine. I'm so happy that he had listened to this song of mine and he had said such wonderful things about the way I sang. So I'm so happy that today I'm able to sing it and you both are here to support me and cheer me. Thank you. So I'll move on to the song. I'll drink some water before that. Sorry. Jyotikanand sir, hi. Shantika, hi. Coimbatore Shantika. Welcome. Raji Perimai, I have already welcomed her in the beginning. So that's why I thought it was Raji Perimai when I saw Sunita ka there. So I'm moving on to the song. So. Thank you so much for all the wonderful words and wonderful messages that are coming. I'm so happy to hear that. I'll actually welcome a few more who are here from the family. Prema Manni, hi Jayaka, hi Vango, Prema Manni, Vango. Perimai, Raji Perimai, that is both Raji Perimais. I have two Raji Perimais, that is one in Bangalore and one in Irnyalakodai. Both of you, please welcome. Murugavel Anna Vango, he's my husband's friend. Welcome. He also sings actually. Thank you so much for coming to listen to me. So let me see what I'm going to move on to next. I will do a Hindi one. Can I do one more and then stop? Shikraji and Himaji, can I do one more and then stop? I'll do one Hindi, which I'm seeing that a lot of old melodies are being enjoyed. So I'll just do one more old one, and then I'm looking for the track for Rowdy Baby, and I'll finish with that. Is that okay, Shikaji and Himaji? I'd like to have a word from both of you. Okay, so we'll go for two more songs. One is an old Hindi one, and I'll finish with Rowdy Baby, so that it's a finale one can be a little bit of a fast one. आएगी तेरी नजर लौट के आएगी। देखिए चैन मिलेगा न कहीं दिल के सिवा, आपका कोई नहीं दिल के सिवा, आपका कोई नहीं दिल के सिवा। जाइए जाएंगे ये नजर लौट के आएगी, ये नजर लौट के आएगी। दूर तक आपके पीछे पीछे, दूर तक आपके पीछे पीछे मेरी आवाज चली जाएगी। जाइए आप कहाँ जाएंगे, ये नजर लौट के आएगी, ये नजर लौट के आएगी। Thank you so much, Jyoti Kannan ji, Bharati Attai, Rekha ji. Hi, Jaishrimani, nice to see you. Thank you, thank you. I think this is the first time I'm seeing your name. I knew that you would be there. Thank you so much for coming. Rekha ji, Bharati Attai, Jyoti ji, Amma, Shikha ji. So sweet of you to say hum kahin nahi ja rahe and you don't want me to stop. But I'll stop with your farmaish. I'll do Rowdy Baby, but I have not practiced that, so please excuse me if it's a little up and down, but I am going to try. Can we stop with the Dhamakedar one? Hi Sundarana, hi बालाजी, हाय आप थे पूरे टाइम यहाँ पे, आपको अभी भी देखा। बालाजी हाय सिंगापुर बालाजी। So shall we go for the last song? It's going to be Rowdy Baby. So anybody, whoever wants to dance can dance with me. So I'm Sundarana, thank you so much for the request, but I have not practiced that today. But next time I go live, I will keep in mind to do that Malayalam song for you. Okay, I'm going to go for Rowdy Baby. It is a little bit of a fast number. It's playing from YouTube, so the ad is coming first. Again another ad. Shikha ji, आपके लिए, come on. take me. Hey, yes, I look a sucker. We wait to cut ahead. Love a sucker, sucker. Talk me, my dear macha. Ni manasu vacha. Namma varasi kala. Nenju jege jege jala. My dear Rani. Ye dream lavani. Namma onna sera. Vai patti kiricha. நம்ம பேச்சு பக்கம் போட்டா ஒரு டப்பாங்குத்து பேசா நீ என்னுடைய லவ்லி பேபி you're my only girlfriend I'll give you two chend we'll make us new friend baby Thank you so much, everybody, for making it here and staying with me. I can see 54 viewers. I'm so happy, to see such a great number. I'm sure all this is coming out of pure love for me and pure love for music. So let us all keep this music journey going. Thank you so much once again, Himaji and Shikaji, for giving me this opportunity. I hope my journey with Susargam always continues. I'm really happy to be associated with all of you here. So I'm going to end the session now. If I have not taken anybody's name, please, again, it is just because this forum is new for me. Once I start mastering it, I'm sure I will be able to, get a little more comfortable with being online on Facebook. Yeah, Jalvi, hi, Jalvi. So nice to see you also here, Jalvi, in Singapore. Thank you, guys. So, shall I end? Shikaji, can I just end the video here? Bye, everybody. Shikaji, I'm just waiting for you to say okay so I can end the video here. Yes, okay. Love you too. Thank you. Bye.